Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change your start menu layout on your Windows 11. So Windows is rolling out some useful feature to customize the layout for your start menu. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to update your PC to use this feature. Open Windows settings, go to Windows update, and if the update is available, simply go ahead update your PC. After updating, in the left panel here you can get the option personalization. Just click and open it, and in the right panel scroll down slightly, open the start like this, and here guys you can get different layout. As you can see guys, the default layout was this, as you can see guys in my screen. If you want to change this, you need to select these two options, more pin or more recommendation. I will go with more pins like this. Now the start menu layout will change. As you can see guys, all apps pin in my start menu was showing in one page. As you can see guys, if you want to select another more recommendation, you need to select this. Okay, now it will show more recommendation on your start menu. I want to go with more pins like this. So this is the way to change your start menu layout. Okay, so that's it today guys, a short and simple video but very important video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.